No.
We have some gas. This one here is going to try and cause havoc with some gas, which is here.
Actually, it'd be nice if the lights were off, but we'll see how it works.
And then it's got a pipe, which some sealing action there.
It's music.
It works, and if it works.
There's some holes.
Are you going to play that music too? You got a plug for me.
You have a cone.
Oh, right.
No, I can hear it actually, but...
Squirrel.
And you've got a signal on you.
Let's see if Garry burns. Oh Jesus God. Holy shit!
Fucking cool is that?
It's genius.
Sunset game, and it's so insincere. I wish I could change your ways of the world, make it a nice place. Until that day, I guess we stay doing what we do, screwing who we screw. Why can't I sleep at night?
That's wicked.
Be alright. I wanna be able to eat spaghetti bolognese and not about it for days and days and days. In the magazines they talk about weight loss. If I buy those dreams, I can look like chaos. I know it's not the life that I chose, but I guess it's just the way that things go. Yeah.
That's quality.
It's just wonderful. I'm having the time of my life. Oh yes.
What's up with tonight?
What's that rubber glove around the heat?
Chips still cold. Still like a big colour, isn't it?
Yeah, really.
I wanna get a plan, though I can't afford it. It's just a bureaucrat, so won't give me a mortgage.